Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, if today is your first time here, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share the video with friends. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Today we are going to learn how to make yogurt from scratch in our own kitchen. You don't need to spend that money anyhow to get a yogurt. Before you can take a sweet yogurt, you can do this within your kitchen, and these are what we need for our yogurt making. This is our culture. Yes, and this is sugar, and this is our milk. I'm going to use Dano full cream milk. You can use any milk of your choice, and we have our boiling water in the kettle. So I'm going to cover this and keep it aside while we begin our yogurt making. This is the cup I'm going to use. I will advise that any cup you are using to measure your milk, use that same cup to measure the water when you want to add water to the milk. So this is the level of the milk I'm going to use, and I'm going to use just 2 cups of milk. Yeah, this is the second cup. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, use this same cup you use in measuring your milk. You can use any cup, but this is the cup I'm using. What I'm advising is that any cup you use in measuring your milk, you should also use that same cup to measure your water. Because I want my yogurt to be thick, I'm going to use 5 cups of water, and I'm going to use 3 cups of hot or boiling water to mix my milk first. So I will use 3 cups of boiling water, then use 2 cups of normal room temperature water. I'm using 5 cups of water because I want my yogurt to be thick. But if you want yours to be a little bit light, you can use 6 cups of water, and you will still get a very good result as well. It all depends on how thick you want your yogurt to be, but please don't exceed 3 cups of water for a cup of powder milk. It is very important you sterilize all the things you are going to use to make your yogurt. It's very important. Your spoon, your plate, your cup, everything should be sterilized. I decided to pour the milk in a plastic bowl because it will help to retain the heat, which is very important in yogurt making. At this point, I'm going to show you the yogurt I bought from the supermarket. I bought unsweetened yogurt. You can buy any flavor of yogurt you want, and that is what I'm adding to the milk. So the yogurt I bought from the supermarket serves as our culture or bacteria, which we are going to add to our milk in order to make our own yogurt. So now you stir it together and make sure everything is properly mixed. You see how it is. The next step is to cover it. After covering it, then you get some blankets or towel. Wrap it properly, wrap it very well, and make sure it is well covered. I'm going to use about 3 towels. If you have a bigger towel, you can wrap it. If you have a thick blanket, you can also use it to wrap it. The most important thing is to wrap it very well to make sure the heat is being retained. After wrapping it, you keep it in a place where there is heat. I'm going to drop my own in my oven. If you have a big cooler, you can drop it in your cooler, cover it. The most important thing is just to keep it in a place where there is heat. Some people drop it in their room where there is sun, or anywhere you know that is not too cold. Now it is ready, and I'm going to remove my towel. This is our yogurt. I left it in an oven for about 8 hours. The minimum is 8 hours. You can leave it as long as 15 hours. Just depend on you, because the more you leave it, the more it gets sour. But I'm perfectly okay with 8 hours. So at this point, you whisk it to make sure you have that smooth yogurt texture, and this is the consistency. Is thick, and by the time I will drop it in the fridge, it will be more thicker than this. So if you feel your yogurt is thick at this point, you can add more water. But if you like that thick yogurt like me, then this is perfectly okay. Continue this way until there is no more lumps and everything is properly mixed. I like this thickness. It's very creamy and thick, and it's going to be so filling. Believe me, you are going to like it. The next thing now is to add our sweetener. Here I'm adding some sugar. There's no measurement, there's no particular measurement to this. Just do it to your taste, and you can also use other sweetener. You can use date syrup, you can use stevia, you can use just ordinary fruits to take your yogurt. I'm going to add some vanilla flavor, which is the flavor I chose for today's yogurt. You can use banana flavor, you can use strawberry flavor, you can use any flavor of your choice. Yogurt business is very good. Make sure you do it neatly, package it well, especially now that we are going to enter into the dry season. You will see that people will patronize you when you make it very tasty and neatly packaged. I'm done packaging the yogurt. Now I'm going to transfer it into the fridge. After about 30 minutes in the fridge, our yogurt is ready. It came out so thick and creamy. This yogurt is a must try, and I'm very sure you are going to love it. It came out so thick, it came out creamy and nice. You want to make it for your family? Good and fine. If you want to go into business, try yogurt business. You will love it, and you are going to make profit from it, especially this dry season. See you in my next video. Bye bye.